Can you make a creamy risotto with basmati rice? No. And here is why. First step to make the great risotto is to choose the right rice. Most common one to use are carnaroli, arborio or vialone. But why can't I just use a regular basmati rice? While long grain or basmati rice are great for dishes like biryani, or basically the dishes where light, fluffy and separate texture is desired, but for the risotto to be creamy you need starch. And that's where carnaroli or arborio shine. How it works. Arborio is an Italian short grain rice that has a very high starch content inside, which is then released during the cooking, and that's what creates the creamy risotto while maintaining its firm texture. But the most important is how you prepare the rice. Step number 1, never wash your rice. You're gonna wash away all the starch and you're never gonna create that creamy texture that you want. Slice 2 pieces of shallots. Now heat up a pan on a medium heat, add the olive oil, and you can add your shallot. Now we're gonna saute the shallot for about 5 minutes, but we are not looking for any brown color. Now you can add the rice and we're gonna toast it for a couple more minutes. Add the salt, fresh thyme, and now we're gonna deglaze it with the white wine. The bottle doesn't have to be expensive, but it should be the one that you enjoy on its own. Let the alcohol evaporate, and now we're gonna add chicken or vegetable stock and let it cook slowly until it reaches almost al dente consistency. Almost there, it's almost al dente, it's a little bit harder than that. We're gonna transfer it to a different pan to stop the cooking process. Now you know how to prepare the risotto rice, so let's make the risotto. Olive oil, shallot. Now add the mushroom. Now we're gonna add the risotto rice, and that's why we stopped cooking the rice a little bit earlier, because we're gonna finish it now with the mushrooms. If we cook it perfectly the first time, now it will be overcooked. Turn off the heat. Now we're gonna add the most important ingredient, and that's the butter. And gently work the butter inside the risotto. Now when the butter is nicely incorporated, we're gonna add Parmesan cheese. And what I personally like to add before the end is a little bit of parsley. If you would like to know more about cooking, hit the subscribe, like, comment, every button there is, so we're gonna make the algorithm happy, and I'm gonna be more than happy to see you in the next video. Ciao!